So today I go to look at a house for a client. And this one's in Casa Linda, phase 1. And I've never actually been in phase 1 before. It's the first phase, obviously. It's 30 years old. And what do they say? They don't build them like that no more. Well, if Casa Linda's still putting out product, they got good contractors. They're delivering a nice product in 5 months. But this is one of the first ones built, and it's got so much like character and charm. Look at those dormers. Solid wood doors, obviously, but a nice use of mirrored glass as well. As much as I hate seeing myself in the mirror when I'm shooting the house, I do everything to try and stay out of the reflections. But it doesn't always work, especially when you're in a new place. Like I ran through it quickly once just to turn all the lights on and get everything set for the recording, but I try to stay out of my shots as much as possible. So the reason I'm looking at this one is because it's now $250 American, and you can buy it with $100K down. Owner financing. Okay. I mean, when you're poking around for clients, you find stuff, right? And this one was just reduced in price from $269 to $249. And they'll hold $150. And it's pimp. I mean, it's in good shape. I mean, some of the stuff is still old, but mostly it's been upgraded and updated, and they made the kitchen bigger and stuff like that. But there's always stuff to do in a house that's 30 years old. You can always do some stuff. But at $250, come on. And they come furnished down here. And what are you thinking? 4% for closing fees. That includes your land transfer tax and your lawyer. And this is a 2-bedroom. There's room for a in-law suite outside. I'm not sure the setbacks and the what they would allow for a size out there, but this video actually is slowed down because I wanted to try too much information. Let's go to 1 normal. Here we go. Oh, I got my finger in front of the camera for part of the shot. But I mean, it's in nice shape for $250. And it comes furnished. 4% closing costs. 3 is the land transfer tax, 1's for the lawyer. Got most of the curtains open. I should have just walked out that door right there because, I mean, you showed it, but you got to walk through it. I went out instead of going out the patio door from the bedroom, I go right back out into the hallway to the kitchen. So, Casa Linda, phase 1, $249. What's the $328 per month is the HO fee? HOA fee. Look at me with my finger in front of the camera. Stop it. So this is, like I said, when you're looking for prospects, I'm looking for prospects for a prospect. You find stuff. And today I found this beauty. It's in good shape. So that's the hottest thing in Casa Linda I've seen in a while. But I'm easily turned. I mean, when you're from Canada or the United States, it takes you so long to get used to walking into a house that should be worth $400,000 on its worst day and going $250. Now it's American dollars. I get it. But I stopped converting Canadian dollars a long time ago. I get it. The Canadian dollar is not great against the American dollar right now, but it's only 250,000 of them. So whatever premium you got to pay to convert your money, it shouldn't matter because you can't get this anywhere else but right here in Sosua. I mean, you can get it in other places in the country, but you're not getting it in North America, not for these fees. And there's no taxes. You've got other things, though, like pool maintenance and exterior maintenance if you want to be involved in that kind of stuff. That's great. But if you don't, you got to pay for it. But they provide all that service there. You can just a la carte the shit onto your bill if you want. And they got some pretty good services as far as shuttles and water parks and pickleball courts and whatever. They've got 100 events a year, Steven says, for the inmates. He didn't call them that. For the residents, for the owners. So, anyway, and this is the spot right there where you could put the third bedroom. So, right there. We measured this to be 20 from about here to around here. Like in line with this thing, I think. And it's about a foot off of this bush, or the tree line. 18 inches we went off this. And pretty much 6 inches off this or whatever. That's 10 feet. 9 feet. 9 by 19, that is. And as a North American realtor, I'm thinking, well, how are you going to get a backhoe back here? Like, how are you going to dig the foundation? Foundation? Says a pardon? Foundation. And it's not super expensive construction down here. Now, I'm not sure what the rules are as far as contractors, who you can get in there to do whatever, but I would imagine you can do whatever you want. I'm sure you don't have to hire a Casa Linda's people. Well, I'm not sure, but I'm guessing that you can have your own contractor come in. And you could build that for nothing. I mean, nothing from the standpoint that it's not going to cost you $70,000 to put up a little one bedroom with a bathroom in there. You know? So yeah, that's one of the I don't know. Like I said, when you're prospecting for a prospect, you find stuff, and I found that very interesting today. That has not broken yet. I have not released this as a video yet, but it'll be coming out. Well, now it's out, but it'll be published soon. 249, 100K down. Now, obviously, again, these are not my clients, but I can operate as a co-broke on it. No problem. We have an arrangement with the people that got the listing and the people that introduced me to it, whatever. Oh, shit. What it was, I can't even remember what I was talking about now. I got caught up thinking about who's yelling outside. What was I talking about? Third bedroom, 100K down. Financing, who knows what the rates will be. What's I looking at? Oh, commission, we're talking I don't know. I got sidetracked. Talking commission. I can show you anything you want. There's no exclusivity down here, right? So most listings have multiple agents. Only the guy that brings the buyer gets paid unless you have a share agreement with the people. Anyway, that's my point. These are not my clients. And from the standpoint that normally when you look at something that I have a good relationship with the owner. I don't know these people, never met them. I just know the agent that when I was saying, hey, have you got a 3-bedroom that will close for $100,000 down? This is what came up. So it's only a 2-bedroom, but if you can put a little third there, then so be it. I was going to make a really important point there, and then I got so excited about the next listing that I want to show you. It's and you've seen this opening many times, but you haven't seen. You haven't seen this one yet. You've seen this pool, Caribe Campo, my favorite spot in the world. I want everyone to live here. Whether you're renting or buying or whatever, I want you here long term. Long-term leases or buyers. This one's $80K and it's 50 meters. So it's between a one bedroom at 65 meters and a studio at 35 meters, 32 and a half meters, 32 and a half meters. See, this one's 50. All those cabinets are rosewood. The doors, solid rosewood. The trim, solid rosewood. Everything, brand new tile. Look at the size of those windows. This one, if you know Caribe Campo, you know there's no units with this type of window structure in it. He made them huge. Again, the bifolds there, what do you call those? The collapsible, I don't know, French doors. I don't know. Louvered bifolds. That's what they're called, I think. Solid rosewood. Beautifully done. All the tiles new. The windows are new because, well, fairly new. They're not new like this week. But they're not 30-year-old windows that normally come in this complex unless they've been upgraded. And lots of stuff is getting upgraded in this complex. But those windows, they roll nice. They got screens on it. It's on the 3rd floor. There's a nice breeze that comes out there. Out there? There's a nice breeze that goes through there. So this is the idea of the junior one bedroom, right? Like it's not a closed off. Like if you want that close, you can do it. Put a door on it. Well, there's no door. So I guess that's why they call it a junior one bedroom. He's not big on looking at himself in the mirror when he shaves or brushes his teeth. Or it needs some decorating, but this is not this guy's thing. He's selling. That's it. He's out. He's not messing around. This is the price he wanted. I priced it for what he wants. So if you think you're coming in with a low ball, he won't look at it. And it's worth it. I mean, it's rare to have something of this quality. And I say quality, like the whole building's quality, but in this type of shape that's been completely renovated. New kitchen, like everything. It needs a decoration because he's just a single guy and he doesn't have, he's got the touch that says nothing. It doesn't, like, minimalistic, if you will. So $80K, 50 meters, $125 a month USD. That's the HOA on this thing. Like 3rd floor, yeah, there's some stairs, so it's not for everyone. But that's Hispaniola in the back there. They say it's going to be houses all, at one time. Fine, bring them. I mean, it's nice that it's a field right now, but who cares? It's still going to be private and quiet. Secure, safe. I mean, safety's, it's such an old wives' tale that Dominican Republic's a violent country, or you should, be careful because of whatever. But I haven't seen anything. Yeah, there's hustlers out there, but your safety is hardly ever in question, at least where I live in Sosua. When I first got here, I was out on the streets late at night, closing down bars and walking home and stuff like that. And I mean, I'm 6'4", I get it. I'm a man as well. So, like, if you're blonde with a nice figure, different story. The motos fucking hound you, especially if you're a blanca. But never... I mean, people, I've very rarely heard anyone, male or female, complain about their safety in this city anyways, in Sosua. So 80 G's, I just put the thing up. If this one sells right away and closes fast, I will not be surprised because there's nothing that really needs to be done here at all. 80 G's, Caribe Campo. My name's Jim Fannin. Call now, 809-330-8926. That's 809-330-8926. This is the pool area at that same building. It's, I don't know, I guess about 80 feet long, that pool. Deep end and this is the shallow end. That's the waterfall, which is super tranquilo, peaceful. Great spot, man. Love it here. So I'm not going to spend too much time. That's 14 minutes. Okay. I've got a whole, like I got one after another. Like I have inventory in this place. But those two are solid deals that I think should go Quickly. I didn't show you two from Caribe Campo, did I? I could. I could show you another one. But it's hot. Summer's almost here. Peace, love, hug your neighbor, and I